Happy Sunday! So I saw this quick breakfast idea online and I decided to give it a try, but I failed woefully, guys. I ended up with this. So first I grabbed a bowl and I broke some eggs into the bowl. After that, I went ahead to chop some peppers and onions and I added it into the mixture. After that, I grabbed a tin of sardine. I added it into the mixture as well. Added some seasonings to taste, so you can add any seasonings you want, but I added chicken seasoning, curry, and thyme because that's what I have at home at the moment. I also went ahead to add some butter into the pan and I rubbed it gently before adding the egg. At this point you think I know what I'm doing, but I don't. So I grabbed my bread and I added it into the pan. Went ahead to rub some butter, but this is where I really messed up. So after that I tried to turn my bread, but it wasn't working. Like what's this now? So anyway, I decided to throw that away and I added fresh bread into the pan, and this time I decided not to overdo, and at last I was able to turn my bread successfully. So after that I let it to fry a bit and I used a flat plate to turn it gently. So I used a spatula to try to turn the bread, but it wasn't working, so I realized I was doing it the wrong way, so I had to do it again, and this time it was okay. So I turned it and guys, the bread is ready, but I ended up with this. Not exactly what I saw, but this is what I ended up with. So will you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section.